Hello, Marie. Now it's the sheet laser cutting machine workshop. We do assembly with this workshop. This is the metal production workshop. This is our factory. We process as annealing and machining machine. Here is the welding workshop. That is the annealing and machining workshop. Okay. This is our own laser cutting machine. We cut the tube here. And this side is the sheet laser cutting machine. Yeah. Now I'm walking to the type laser cutting machine. Now, this is the fully automatic bundle loader, and I offer you with the same. And this loader can support 3.5 ton height. I will show you the details about the loader.
SteviS, engineered for the long run.